India captain who died in Kerala crash had served in IAF newly recruited Rafale squadron. Captain Deepak Satte, the pilot of Air India flight who died after the plane crashed at Kerala's Kozhikode airport, had also served in IAF Golden Arrow squadron which received Rafale fighters. Captain Deepak Sathe, the pilot of ill-fated Air India Express plane that overshot the runway while landing at Kozhikode Airport in Kerala on Friday, was decorated former India Air Force Pilot Squad of Honor awardee and has also served with No. 17 Squadron Golden Arrows, which was recently recommissioned with Rafale fighter jet. 17 people were killed and several injured when a Dubai Calicut Air India Express flight with 191 passengers and crew overshot the runway and fell into a valley, breaking into two portions yesterday evening. Captain Deepak Vasant Satte was from 58th Course of National Defence Academy, Pune. He was from Juliet Squadron, said Air Marshal Bhushan Gokhale, retired, adding that Satte passed out from Air Force Academy with Squad of Honor in June 1981 and was fighter pilot in Indian Air Force. As per reports, Satte was an experienced Boeing 737-800 aircraft pilot and had overflown the Airbus A310. He had also won the Sword of Honor at the Air Force Academy in Hyderabad and was an accomplished fighter pilot before becoming a commercial pilot. President Ramnath Kovind, Vice President Venkaiah Naidu, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi, along with leaders across the political spectrum, expressed anguish on Friday over the Air India Express aircraft incident in Kozhikode and offered condolences to the families of those killed in the tragedy. The mishap occurred at 7:40 p.m. and no fire was reported at that time of landing, the IAE said in a statement. Detailed investigation ordered. Prime Minister Narendra Modi spoke to Kerala Chief Minister Vinay Vijayan over the phone about the plane incident at the Kozhikode airport yesterday and promised all the assistance from the center. Officials have said visibility was 2,000 meters due to the heavy rain after landing at runway 10 and the aircraft continued going to be end of runway, reported NAI. Meanwhile, India's aviation watchdog has ordered a detailed investigation into the incident. Reporter Bhumika Bansal, Country and Politics.